ethene reacts with hydrogen bromide to give what? Let's look at the reaction. Ethene is carbon 2 with a double bond between the carbon to carbon atoms, and then hydrogen and hydrogen, as well as hydrogen and another hydrogen for this, because each carbon atom must be tetravalent. And so if you look at it, this has one bond, another one, 3 and 4. That makes it to be tetravalent. Now, plus hydrogen bromide, plus hydrogen bromide. If you look at this ethene molecule, it is made up of this double bond. This one is a pi bond and this is a sigma bond. Now this pi bond will break for addition reaction to take place, because this type of reaction is called addition reaction of alkene. Now when the pi bond breaks, it produces two new sigma bonds. Two sigma bonds, and each of these sigma bonds will be attached to each of these carbon atoms. Of course, if you look at it, you discover that the both carbon atoms have attachments to this pi bond. So once it breaks, each of them will be carrying the sigma bonds, otherwise called sigma bonds. So it becomes this carbon. This is the original sigma bond there to the next carbon. Now this one, as it will be broken down, we'll have it like this, and then look at the new bonds, which are the two new sigma bonds. So now this hydrogen atom, look at it here, rewritten, and then I'll also write this, as well as for this carbon, this hydrogen atom, I'm writing it here, as well as this one is written like this here. Now, hydrogen atom will come here, and bromine will come here. That is why it is called an addition reaction. You see that the pi bond there is broken from this double bond to form two new sigma bonds, and then in that way, instead of alkene, we now have a product that is an alkane family. So what do we finally have? The mechanism of reaction will now give us carbon, the first carbon, this is the hydrogen, this is the second hydrogen, and then here there is bromine that is newly introduced. Then the next is bond to the next carbon, and then that carbon has its hydrogen originally, and then the next hydrogen atom. Then finally this new hydrogen from hydrogen bromide will be attached here, and so we have the name or the structure as CH3. Look at it, this carbon has 3 hydrogen, 1 2 3, so I've written a CH3. Then the next carbon has CH. How many H?